Hi, my lovely people. Welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today, in this video, I'm going to show about AWS, Azure, DevOps, Fresher, Cloud job openings. Okay. If you're a fresher having complete 0 years of experience, or if you're a fresher with at least 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year of working experience, no problem. You can easily apply to the job openings today, which I'm going to show you now, and you can get benefit from this. Okay. So if you may be from the any branches, guys, you may be like you may be from the civil, mechanical, IT, or you may be from the any different branches, or you may be from the any educational backgrounds, like you may be from the BTech, MTech, BCom, BCA, or you may be from the MTech, MCom, or you may be from the MBA. Not a problem, guys. You may be from the any educational backgrounds. If you have the skills, okay. If you are good at the AWS cloud or Azure cloud or a DevOps, you can easily apply to these openings. Okay. And moreover, I'm telling you, you may be from the any batches, like you may be from 2024, 23, 2022, 2021, 2019, 2020 batches can also apply. So, career grab students or the person who want to switch from non-IT or non-IT to the IT, or the person who want to switch from one domain to the another domain, like you may be from the Java to the cloud, or you may be from the cybersecurity to the DevOps, no problem. You can also easily learn these skills and you can switch to this. Okay. So requesting everyone, please watch this video completely till the end. Before that, I'm requesting everyone, please subscribe my channel and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Now let's begin the first job openings. Today in this video, I'm going to show about nearly 5 to 6 job opening, guys. So please watch this video completely till the end. Now, if you get into the first job opening, the first job opening comes from the LinkedIn. As you can see, I have already opened my LinkedIn profile. So please go to your LinkedIn, okay, account and open this profile called Terlin Kaur. Okay, she is an HR. She is mainly hiring for her company. Her company name is F13 Technologies. Okay, so she has posted this today's job opportunity. As you can see here, F13 Technologies is hiring for AWS Cloud Intern. This is completely for the fresher. As you can see, the position is AWS Cloud Intern. Okay, so you just need to send your resume here. Okay, they are mainly hiring for the candidates who are good at AWS Cloud, guys. Okay, if you are just having some knowledge on AWS Cloud, if you have learned, okay, you can easily do this. If you want to get into the details, so here they have mentioned like the duration of this internship will be 3 months, okay, and the location or the mode of work will be work from home. This is a golden opportunity for you guys. You may be from anywhere, guys, okay. You may be from the anywhere. So if you're having just good at AWS cloud, okay, please try to mention at least 2 to 3 projects in your resume, and you should be mention at least 10 to 12 AWS services while applying to this job openings. I'm telling you, highlight those also, okay. So here you just need to send your resume to this email ID. Look at this, they have mentioned the email ID, apply at F13 Technologies. Otherwise you just click on this. Here also they have mentioned the email ID, right? So you just need to send your email ID to this HR. Okay, so I'm telling once again, this is a work from home job opportunity for the freshers, so please don't miss this opportunity. So this is the first job opportunity for you today, guys. Now let's directly get into the second one. If we get into the second one, the second one is also from the company Postmark. The company name itself is a Postmark. Here they are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps intern. Okay, look at this. The position is DevOps intern and the location is Chennai, Tamil Nadu. As you can see, this is a full-time job opportunity, and look at this. They have posted this job only just 4 days ago. So please read the job description, everything. Cloud operation team. Okay, remember the point here they have mentioned. So here they have mentioned about the job description and what will be going and what everything they have mentioned. Like, okay. So if we get into the skills and everything, guys, okay, here they have mentioned about the, look at this, experience relevant to the Postmark. Here experience means if you are having internship experience, okay, incredible internship experience they have mentioned. Okay, so if you're having internship experience, that is fine. If you don't have any internship experience, that is not no, that is also not a problem. You can apply, but you need to have the skills. That is very mandatory. Okay, so the first thing is you should be having a degree. Okay, it is, if it is a CS degree, that is very good. If you're having at least a degree, that is also fine. Next is you should be having at least one scripting languages. It may be the Python, Perl, Ruby, JavaScript. Okay, anyone. Okay, the next is you should be having a good familiarity with Linux, Unix environment. Okay, you should be knowing the Linux or a Unix. It's basic, so you should be knowing, and you should be having the exposure towards the AWS cloud, and you should know about the Git or a SVN. Okay, if you know at least Git, or if you know only SVN, that is fine. There is no need to. There is no mandatory that you should know the both. And you should be able to learn, research, and you should be able to test the new technologies. Okay, because you'll be fresher. So you need, that is very mandatory. You should be ready to learn new technologies every day, and you should be having clear and written and verbal communications. Okay, so that is also plays very important role while working. And non-coding, non-academic coding experience like hackathons, code challenges, personal projects, GitHub, open source, volunteer coding experience, conference participation, etc. See, if you are having any of this, okay, mention those in your resume, in your achievement section. Okay, that is plays very important role. So things that catch our eye. So if you are very good at these things, or if you mention this, your application is going to be 100% sure that your application is going to be selected for this internship opportunity or a job opportunity. I'm telling you. Exposure to HTTP protocol, that is SSL certificates and REST API they have mentioned. Okay. Next is you should be good at any cloud. It may be AWS, GCP, or Azure, your choice. Okay. Next is web servers they have mentioned, and databases also they have mentioned like Tomcat, Redis, MongoDB, Elasticsearch. So please try to include at least 2 to 3 this. Okay, and your resume is going to be shortlisted for this position. Okay, so this is the second job opportunity for you guys. Now let's directly get to the third one. The third one is also from the company called Catchpoint. The company name is a Catchpoint. Here they have made hiring for the position of system engineer. This role is system engineer. Okay, but if you get it at the job location, the job location is Bangalore. Here, if you read the job description and everything, you may feel this is for DevOps or a cloud position. Okay, so I'm telling everyone. So please read this before. Okay, here they have mentioned everything. If you read this requirement skill section, you are going to get a complete idea. It's for AWS cloud position or either for a DevOps position. I'm 100% sure, guys. Okay. If you are looking for any of this position, I'm damn sure you please need to apply for this. Okay. So here the job location, the job role is system engineer, and the job location is Bengaluru. Okay. Here they have given the responsibilities. So please read yourself. If you come into the section and skill section and the qualifications, see here they have clearly mentioned it should be degree, that is BE, BTech, MCA, Computer Science, Networking, 2022-23 graduates. Okay, so if you are from 2022 passed out or 23 passed out, you can apply. Next is you should be having, if you are having at least 6 months internship experience, working experience, that is fine. If you don't have any experience, not a problem, you can apply. Okay, so that is also one of the good advantage for you through knowledge of troubleshooting remote access issues. So you should be having the knowledge on troubleshooting. Okay, that is the important one, because if you go to the DevOps role or a cloud position, that is very important. Troubleshooting is, so please learn. Okay, next is excellent communication skills. Okay, so certification in Linux is preferred. If you're having a Red Hat certificates or a Windows certificate, that is highly preferred. Okay, so if you don't have any certificates, not a problem. You just need to mention some of the best projects in your resume. That is plays important role when you don't have certificate. Basics troubleshooting knowledge in Linux, that is Red Hat, CentOS, networking troubleshooting using ping and traceroute. Okay, so you should be having the knowledge on how to troubleshoot in the Linux. Okay, in the Linux, that is in the mainly Red Hat. Okay, they have mentioned the Red Hat flavor, and you should be having the hands-on experience or a knowledge on the troubleshooting knowledge on the networking concepts. That too mainly by using the ping command as well as the traceroute command. Okay, so even if you go to this interview, they are going to ask you the questions based on these topics only. So be prepared for that if you selected. Next is basic understanding of bash shell scripting web servers. So you should be knowing a shell scripting, okay, and you should be knowing a web server. And here they have mentioned about the fundamentals understanding of large scale networking. As I already told you, they are mainly looking for who is very good at Linux as well as networking. So you should be good at these two things, guys. First, okay, that is OSI model. They have clearly mentioned DNS, SSL, okay, and they have mentioned WINS, TCP, IP, LANs, everything, DHCP, routing, ACL, switching. So you should be good at, first of all, if you are from networking background, guys, I'm damn sure you are going to get selected for this interview. I'm telling you. Okay, so if you don't know the networking, you can easily learn in 2 to 3 days. I'm telling you, you can easily learn in 2 to 3 days. Learn all these types, services, everything you can learn. Okay, so please try to learn and apply to this job. Here they also mentioned about the good to have Linux virtualization knowledge. Okay, and you should be ready to work in a 24/5 rotational shift. So here you'll be working for 5 days. So they have mentioned for the 24/5. So the job location is Bengaluru. Just go to this down. Okay, look at this, apply for this position is right. So you just need to enter all your details here and you need to send your application. So this is the third job opportunity for you guys. Now if you get into the fourth one, Okay, if you get into the fourth one is from the LinkedIn, and LinkedIn there is one recruiter. Her name is Srija Reddy. Okay, as you can see, this she is mainly hiring for DevOps AWS freshers. Okay, if you are good at AWS as well as an DevOps, then this is a right choice for you guys. This is the right choice. Okay, so if you come into that job status, that is AWS DevOps fresher. Location is Hyderabad. Companies RJ Technologies Private Limited. Okay. So this job opportunity is full time. Moreover, they have clearly mentioned they are looking for a candidate who are very good at AWS DevOps. Okay. The qualification which they are seeking from is bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology, or related field. So you should be good at. So you should be having the degree. It's in the computer science or it's in the information technology or in any related field. But you are having the degree, that is very mandatory. Next is the skills. See, you should be mentioning all this. Otherwise, your resume is not going to be shortlisted. I'm telling you. At least you should mention, if they are mentioning total 10 skills, you should have at least 8 out of them. Okay, that is very mandatory. So if you don't know, please learn. Here the skills is AWS, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Linux, shell scripting, Python, Jenkins, CI/CD, Git, GitHub. Okay, so these all are very mandatory and these are very basic skills which every company expect from a DevOps or AWS engineer. So please mention this in your resume. Okay. So if you get into they have mentioned about the company description, the role description they have mentioned, and this is moreover an on-site role. Okay. So here, if you get into the qualification, so you should be having a degree and you should be good at experience or strong experience in software development, proficiency in continuous, that is CSID, you should be knowing. Okay. Next is you should be knowing the integrating different systems, and you should have hands-on experience in the Kubernetes, and you should be good at Linux service administration. So here, if we go out to the down, they have mentioned relevant skills and qualifications. So they are expecting too much from you. So please be prepared for this. Like they have mentioned about the AWS services and creating the infrastructure, deployment, managing the infrastructure, deploying the infrastructure, and they have mentioned about the scripting such as Bash and the Python. We should be having the knowledge on networking concepts, okay, and protocol also. We should be knowing Docker, Ansible, and you should know about the troubleshooting part, okay. So and lastly, they have mentioned that if you are having any certificates from the AWS or a DevOps or a Kubernetes, that are highly preferred for you. Okay. So you just need to send your resume and cover letter. Look at this resume and cover letter. So Srija K at rjtechdecnologies.com. So this is their email ID, right? So please send your resume to this email ID. Okay. So this is the fourth job opportunity for you. Now, one more important thing is, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, I'm requesting everyone, please subscribe, guys, because every day I'm bringing about nearly 1 to 2 job openings for you. So I'm trying my hard best to bring job openings for you. So please subscribe. And if you already subscribed, please share this channel to your friends, okay, who are in need. And if you want to more job opening links, please go to this playlist section. Look at this here: cloud experience, AWS fresher. This is completely including Azure as well as DevOps. So please look at this. If you are experienced candidate, look at this. Okay. Now, if you want the job opening links which I have shown you, you just need to look at this. You just need to go to this Instagram profile, that is Vishwakar Kalle. You just need to send an invite. Okay, this is my Instagram handle, Vishwakar Kalle. See, if you want all the job opening links which I have shown you now, you can just message me at this my Instagram handle. Okay, here one of the person has messaged me like this. Look at this: AWS, Azure DevOps fresher links. If you are looking for AWS, just mention me AWS fresher, or if you're looking for Azure fresher, mention me, or if you're looking for DevOps, mention me like this. I'm going to send you all the links completely free without taking a single rupee from you. I'm telling you, we will not taking any single rupees. Okay, as you can see here, I already sent him links, right? So I'll be sending you all the links. Okay. So please do subscribe and do follow me. Okay. Now, if we get into let's directly get into the fifth one. Okay, the fifth one job opening comes from the company called Cognizant. Okay, this Cognizant company is mainly hiring for the position of system engineer. Look at the position name is system engineer. Okay, don't look at this. Okay, these are for the experienced candidate. Just go to the system engineer position. Here, if you go to the system engineer, you'll be seeing experience as 0 to 1 years. This is completely for the fresher, guys. Okay, this is completely for the fresher, and the job location is Coimbatore, that is Chennai. And here, the skills which they are expecting from you is you should be good at Linux and AWS cloud. There is no need of DevOps. Okay, if you are good at just Linux as well as AWS, that is fine. This is completely for the cloud position, I think, because they aren't expecting DevOps means it's mainly for the cloud position only. So candidate from IT or computer science backgrounds are preferred. Okay, so if you are basically from the computer science or an IT courses, okay, you are highly preferred. And if you are from any other degrees, that is okay, you are also preferred. But no, you can also learn the skills and you can apply. Next is you should be able to learn the things very quickly. That is the next point. And you should be knowing the verbal, written, and communications. Okay, and you should be ready to work in a 24/7 support environment. So this only they are expecting two things. That is, you should be knowing Linux and AWS. If you are good at these two things, just okay, go to this. You can apply by this to this position. Just go to this. Okay, need to send your email ID this ID. Here they have mentioned careers@cognizant.com. So this is their email ID. Just mention the role name. Okay, system engineer, and you need to send your resume to this position. Okay. So this is the fifth job opportunity for the fresher guys. Now the sixth one comes from the LinkedIn. Okay, here in the LinkedIn there is one more HR. Her name is Pooja Chatnis. Okay, her name is Pooja. Okay, she is mainly hiring for the her. Here she has mentioned that her friend. Okay, her friend is hiring for one of her startup. So here I have mentioned the position which they're hiring is DevOps in AWS and GCP. Okay. So here if you are if you are basically good at DevOps, that too mainly in AWS and GCP cloud, you are highly preferred for this position. Here they have mentioned that experience is 0 to 1 years experience. Location Indore, Noida, Gurugram, Bengaluru, Pune, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, Maharashtra. So here permanent work from home job location is also available. Okay. So if you are from any of the position guys, I'm telling you, if you are not good at GCP, not a problem. If you are good at least AWS DevOps, that is fine. Please try to mention those. Okay, I'm telling you. Next is they have clearly mentioned locations are so many locations they have mentioned. I don't know for which particular locations they are main hiring for this position. Okay, please try to apply. And here they mentioned that work from home job opportunity is also available. Okay, and here look at this, share your resume if you are interested with Nolan Petas Technologies is hiring for the following profile. So they have mentioned the startup name here. So please send your resume to this uh, Pratham Golapur, okay, Golpar at gmail.com. So they have mentioned their email ID, right? So you just need to send your resume to this email ID. Okay. So these are all the job openings, guys, which I wanted to show you for today. If you're looking for any other job openings in any other domain, please mention in the comment section. I'll be happy to bring all the job openings in the further days. Have a good day. All the best for your interviews. Bye.